Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we'll be studying pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10th. Earlier we have studied any equation of the form ax plus by plus c. This we have studied in class 9th. This is called linear equation in two variables. Here c is constant term, b is coefficient of y. b is coefficient of y and coefficient of a is coefficient of x. But we have pair of linear equations. Now, in general, we write pair as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We'll be considering these pair of linear equations. And first of all, we must know what do we mean by solution of linear equation. Solution of linear equation. Solution means the value of x and y, the value of x and y which satisfies pair of linear equation, right? Pair of linear equation. Solution का मतलब है कि x और y की ऐसी वैल्यू जो कि दोनों इक्वेशंस को सेटिस्फाई करे. Clear? And in class 9th we have also studied that graph of linear equation. Graph of linear equation is always a straight line. Is always a straight line. This you have to remember. And also, अगर axis के बारे में नहीं पता, we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. This I'm telling you because we'll be needing this. This is x-axis. It is also called abscissa. This is y-axis, ordinate. And this is the point origin. And we'll be writing any point as x comma y. Okay, this is positive side of x-axis. 1, 2, 3. And this is negative x. This side is positive y and this is negative y. Minus 1, minus 2. This is your first quadrant. This is first quadrant. Here value of x and y is positive. Clear? This is second quadrant. Second quadrant. In this quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. This I'm telling you because we'll be needing this to draw graphs. Here x is also negative and y is also negative. This is your third quadrant and this is your fourth quadrant. And here x is positive, y is negative, right? For example, if we want to plot a point, suppose we have a point 2 comma 1, right? If we have a point 2 comma 1, here is 2 and here is 1. X is 2 and y is 1. This is point 2 comma 1. Similarly, we can plot rest of the points. Clear? Now we have studied solution. Now we are more concerned in finding solution of linear equation. Solution of pair of linear equations, right? We have few methods. One is substitution method. Another one is elimination method. And another one is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. This one is not in the syllabus. We'll be discussing substitution and elimination, right? So first we have substitution. It is very easy method. Suppose we have equations x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4, right? X minus y is equal to 4. Let these be equations 1 and 2. In this method, what we'll do, we'll substitute the value of one variable from one equation and put it into second one, right? For example, let's say from equation 2, what we can find, x की value होगी x is equal to 4 plus y, right? X is equal to 4 plus y. We are finding variables value from second, so we'll put it in first. Putting in first, क्या होगा, x की जगह हम लिखेंगे 4 plus y, right? x की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे, 4 plus y. तो 4 plus y is equal to 14. ठीक है, we are substituting this value in equation number 1. तो 4 plus y, this is y plus y, 2y, and 4 उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, 14 minus 4, this will be 10. 2y is equal to 10 and y will be equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So we have a solution, that is y is equal to 5. Now put this value of y, put y is equal to 5 in equation number 3. ठीक है, तो what we'll get for x, x is equal to 4 plus y, that is 4 plus 5. तो यहाँ से x हमारा आ जाएगा 9. क्या लिखेंगे, therefore solution is x5, sorry, x9 and y5. This is your solution, and here you can write answer. Clear? I hope this substitution method is clear. I repeat, अगर हम 1 से वेरिएबल की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं, we'll put it in second, and if we are finding value of variable from second equation, we'll put it in first. Accordingly, you can solve them. Clear? I hope this is clear. Now we'll be discussing elimination method, right? So we have elimination method. This is very important. Suppose we have equations x plus y is equals to 15 and x minus y equals to 1. Now we have to eliminate one of the two variables, right? इसमें याद रखना है, if we have opposite signs, right? If we have opposite signs, we'll always add the equations, right? And if we have same signs, positive positive or negative negative, we will always subtract, right? ये याद रखना है. Now I am interested. We have positive y and negative y, right? We have opposite signs, so we'll be adding these two. What we'll get by adding 1 and 2, by adding equation 1 and 2, this y will get cancelled up. ठीक है, तो we are left with x plus x is 2x and 15 plus 1 is 16. From here, x will be equal to 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. From here, we get x equals to 8, right? I hope this is clear. And substitute this value of, now it's up to you, x की value you can substitute in any one of the equations. ठीक है, आप first में भी put कर सकते हो, you can put it in second also. So x equals to 8. From here, what you'll get, uh, put x equal to 8 in equation 1, right? In equation 1, what you'll get, 8 plus y equals to 15, y is equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. So from here, you get value, therefore x equals to 8 and y equals to 7. This is solution, right? This is your answer. I hope this is clear, right? Now moving on to next. Now, sometime we are asked the graphical method of solution. ठीक है, basically solve graphically भी आ जाता है कई बारी. So we can write graphical method. of solution of pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equations. Right. So we are concerned about the consistency of these equations. Suppose we are considering two variables, these two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, right? So now comparing the ratios, first part, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, what we get? We get exactly one solution. What we'll get? We'll get exactly one solution, right? And we will say that system of equation is consistent, right? And we have unique solution. And what will be the graph? Graph will be intersecting lines. कौन सी लाइन होंगी? Intersecting lines. Okay. Second case, if we compare the ratio a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, right? So here we will have no solution. What we'll have? We will have no solution, right? And system is inconsistent. System is inconsistent and graph will be parallel lines. ठीक है जी? Graph will be parallel lines. And third case में a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. If this is the scene, then we will have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And system is consistent. System is consistent and will get coincident lines. ठीक है, एक के ऊपर एक lines होंगी. And this is the case. From here you'll get 1 mark question definitely. And I hope this introduction is clear to you. We'll be discussing more questions in coming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.